Hi, everybody. Welcome back to HSP TV. I am your host, Barbara, and today we are diving into a new book. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to a prosperous life? Well, get ready because today we're diving into the Prosperity Bible by Wallace D. Wattles, a timeless guide on harnessing the creative powers of your mind to achieve abundance. And it has been on my must read book in order to attract more prosperity and abundance into my life. So, welcome everyone. I'm Barbara, and let's explore the wealth of wisdom that is packed within these pages. This book is a treasure trove, bringing together the money-making secrets of authors from various fields, including religion, finance, philosophy, and self-help, all packaged in an attractive edition. What really intrigued me about the Prosperity Bible is its unique compilation of success advice from renowned figures like Napoleon Hill and Benjamin Franklin, and also, of course, Wallace D. Wattles himself. It truly is a comprehensive resource for anyone seeking prosperity and abundance. The Prosperity Bible delves into the power of the mind and the universal principles of success. It emphasizes the importance of understanding and applying these principles to create a life of abundance. Personally, I found Wallace's insights on the mental formula for success particularly resonant. His teachings remind us that our thoughts have the power to shape our reality. And by harnessing the creative powers of our mind, we can manifest prosperity in all areas of our lives. You know, there was a time in my life where I really doubted my ability to achieve my goals. This was when I stumbled upon this book, and by applying the principles that are outlined in this book, I transformed my mindset, and that opened the doors to opportunities I never imagined before I started reading it. So I want to share 5 key takeaways from the Prosperity Bible with you today. The first one is to harness the power of your mind. Our thoughts are powerful tools for manifestation. And by cultivating a positive mindset and aligning our thoughts with our goals, we can attract abundance and prosperity into our lives. Our thoughts create our emotions. Our emotions are what triggered our actions, and our actions are in the end what gives us results. The second key takeaway is embrace the universal principles. Success is not a stroke of luck, but the result of understanding and applying these universal principles. And by embracing these principles, we can tap into the natural laws of the universe and align ourselves with the flow of prosperity. This takes me to the third key takeaway: take inspired action. Because while mindset plays a crucial role in shaping our reality, it must be complemented with purposeful action. And by taking inspired action towards our goals every single day again, even if they are the tiniest baby steps, we can propel ourselves closer to our desired outcomes. And we can support ourselves in this with the fourth key takeaway, which is practice gratitude. Gratitude is such a powerful magnet for abundance. And by appreciating the blessings in our lives, we open ourselves up to receive even more abundance. That is the law of reciprocity, or the law of abundance. Like energy attracts like energy. So if I am grateful for the things in my life, I will attract more things to be grateful for. Like energy attracts like energy. And that brings me to the fifth key takeaway, which is persist with faith. Success often requires unwavering faith and persistence in the face of challenges. And by maintaining a steadfast belief in our abilities and also the abundance of the universe, because the universe wants us to succeed, We can overcome setbacks and turn adversity into opportunity. These takeaways offer practical insights in what we can do and how we can apply these rules in real life situations to cultivate a mindset of prosperity and abundance. Now let's talk a little bit about the writing style of Wallace D. Wattles, because his writing style is straightforward and clear, making complex concepts accessible to all readers. His insights are presented in a manner that is engaging and thought-provoking. One of the standout quotes that particularly resonated with me is, "By thought, the thing you want is brought to you. By action, you receive it." Let me know what you think of this quote in the comments below. The Prosperity Bible resonated with me on a personal level because it shifted my perspective on success and abundance. It challenged me to reevaluate my beliefs and take ownership of my thoughts and actions. While Wattles' teachings may not resonate with everyone, I appreciate the emphasis on personal responsibility and the power of positive thinking. Would I recommend the Prosperity Bible to others? Absolutely. If you are ready to transform your mindset and manifest abundance in your life, then this book really is a must-read. I encourage you to dive into its pages, absorb the wisdom, and apply the principles to your own life. Remember, the journey to prosperity begins with a single thought. Your thought creates your emotions color your actions, and your actions are responsible for your daily results. In conclusion, the Prosperity Bible is more than just a book. It's a roadmap to a life of abundance and fulfillment. Wallace D. Wattles' timeless teachings continue to inspire generations to tap into their creative powers and manifest their dreams. So, my fellow seekers of prosperity, embrace the wisdom within these pages and may your journey be filled with abundance and joy. I would appreciate it if you could like, comment, and share this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you'll never miss another video again. For today, I have nothing else to say than to wish you an amazing rest of your day and see you again in the next book review.